This is a quick video showing how the compilation process works. As you will see, you do not need any programming experience. All you need to do is download the bash script and run it in a Linux shell. The script automatically downloads the Barracuda application server GitHub repository, the resources repository used to build mako.zip, and a few optional repositories that add additional Lua modules. Everything is then integrated into the final Mako server executable. You can compile the server on virtually any Linux system, including desktop Linux and embedded Linux devices that support tools such as GCC and Make. In this video, the build process is demonstrated using the Windows Subsystem for Linux. After the compilation completes, you will be asked a few setup questions. The first question is whether you want to compress the resources included in mako.zip. This is not about zip compression itself, but about using Node.js tools to optimize and compact resources, such as JavaScript files before they are packaged. In most cases, you will want to select No. You will then be asked whether you want to install the Mako server or simply leave it in the compilation directory. The final question is whether you want to download and run the tutorials. In this video, the server is installed and configured to run the tutorials automatically. Once the server is running, open the URL printed in the console using your browser. You should then see the complete collection of tutorials. You can also download additional tutorials and examples from GitHub. These examples are designed both for learning and as a foundation or scaffolding for further development.